Healthcare and public safety are two of the most important issues for Lethbridge voters in this provincial election. Both the United Conservative Party, UCP, and the New Democratic Party, NDP, have made promises to address these challenges and opportunities in Lethbridge and Alberta. The UCP has pledged to fund a catheterization lab at the Chinook Regional Hospital, which would provide cardiac care services for patients in southern Alberta. The UCP has also promised to increase funding for mental health and addiction services, and to create a provincial police force to replace the RCMP. The NDP has also committed to funding a catheterization lab at the Chinook Regional Hospital, as well as expanding the hospital's emergency department and intensive care unit. The NDP has also promised to invest in public health care, education, and social services, and to maintain the current RCMP contract. Both parties have also addressed the issue of public safety in downtown Lethbridge, where some residents and businesses have expressed concerns about crime and social disorder. The UCP has proposed to create a provincial drug treatment court, which would divert offenders with addiction issues from jail to treatment programs. The NDP has proposed to increase funding for community-based organizations that provide harm reduction and outreach services. These are some of the proposals that the different political parties and candidates have made to address the health care and public safety challenges and opportunities in Lethbridge and Alberta. How these promises will be implemented and funded remains to be seen after Election Day. Health care and public safety are two of the most important issues for the voters in Lethbridge, a city in southern Alberta that is home to about 100,000 people. In this video, we will explore how the voters in Lethbridge have expressed their views and concerns on these issues and how they may influence the election outcome. Lethbridge has two provincial ridings, Lethbridge East and Lethbridge West. Both are currently held by the New Democratic Party, NDP, which is seeking re-election against the main challenger, the United Conservative Party, UCP. The NDP has been campaigning on its record of investing in healthcare, education and infrastructure in Lethbridge, while the UCP has been promising to cut taxes, reduce spending and address the opioid crisis. One of the key healthcare promises that both parties have made for Lethbridge is funding for a catheterization lab at the Chinook Regional Hospital. A catheterization lab is a facility that performs procedures to diagnose and treat heart conditions. Currently, patients in Lethbridge have to travel to Calgary or Edmonton for these services, which can pose risks and delays. Both the NDP and the UCP have pledged to fund a cath lab for Lethbridge if elected.